Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you guys are finishing your work for ESL and for your other classes. This week, a lot of students joined me on Zoom and it was a lot of fun. So next week, I hope the students who I haven't talked to yet can come on and say hi to me and ask me for help if you need anything. So this week you have a new assignment. So go into ESL 2.3, open your Google Classroom, click on Classwork. So last week we practiced present perfect verb tense. This week we do more present perfect verb tense with the words for and since. So watch Miss Aguiar's video and then complete your Google document. So open the Google Doc. So I'll make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so the do now, this is a review from last week. Use present perfect Google slide notes. Match the rule with the sentence. So match your present perfect rule with the sentence examples. So for this, go back into, let's see, your ESL 2.3 at home present perfect notes. So if you go down, these next 4 slides, these are the rules for present perfect. Number 1, an action starts in the past and continues to now. 2, present perfect, we use it for experience or accomplishment. 3, for uncompleted actions to be completed soon. And 4, for multiple actions at different times. And remember guys, we use have or has and the past participle. I have visited Puerto Rico. He has eaten an apple and cake today. So go back. So match the rules. Number 1, an action starts in the past and continues to now. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay. I will grade this for you when you finish it. I'll give you the correct answers. Part 1, complete the present perfect sentences with for or since. So number 1, I have had my cell phone for, and remember, guys, with for, it's a number of minutes. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 2 days, 8 months, 2 years, 2 decades, 1 century. A number of these. For since, we use it for a specific time. 9 a.m. on Monday in April. For a year, 2016. A decade, the 90s. Or a century, the 21st century. So I have had my cell phone for, let's say 2 years. Whoops. So guys, this is a number of years. Number 2, I have lived in my house or apartment since. So since a specific time, since 2018. Now part 2, Write 10 present perfect sentences with for or since. Use a different time expression for each sentence. So use all of these time expressions. Okay, example. Let's see. Let's use a couple of weeks. A couple of weeks. I have been learning at home for a couple of weeks. I use for, the time, and I use the present perfect, have been. So continue and do 1 to 10. This is your only homework for this week, okay? Next week, please go on Zoom if you have questions. You can email me. You can send me a text on Remind. You can send me a Google Voice text or email me. All right, guys. Have a happy Easter. Bye.